How to get 5 free skins in Marvel Rivals. So the first one is the skin of Iron Man right here, which I already got. To do that, you just simply need to go to your settings, go to bundle code, and paste or copy this link or code right here and click on use. And as you can see, I've already claimed the reward for this type of bundle code, but for you, you might need to claim it. The next free skin is the Scarlet Man, or I mean the Scarlet Spider skin of Spider-Man right here. But I don't have it since it's only a PlayStation exclusive skin. So if you're on a PlayStation, you could get it for free. You just need to open up your Marvel Rivals on your PlayStation and you could just simply go here and collect your Spider-Man skin. For the next skin is a Penny Parker skin right here, the Venom skin. So if you're on PS Plus, you can get this Venom skin for free along with other rewards. Next skin is a Magneto Will of Galacta, which you could only get if you watch Marvel Rivals stream for 5 hours on Twitch, along with other rewards also. Next skin is Moon Knight's Golden Moonlight skin, which you can get if you have the rank gold on competitive. So this is the fifth and the last skin that you can get for free. And that's how you can basically get 5 free skins in Marvel Rivals.